Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change add to cart button color in Shopify. So if you also want to change add to cart button color in Shopify, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in admin.shopify.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you look at left, you'll be able to see several options over here. Find the option for online store, click on it. Here you'll be able to find several options. Make sure themes is selected. Now here you'll be led to the themes interface. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for customize. Right next to it you'll be able to find three dots. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to find several options. At second last you'll be able to find the option for edit code. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to find the code. You can edit the code from here. Simply click on the search bar, type in theme.liquid, press enter. Now here you'll be able to find the option for theme.liquid. All you have to do is click on it. After that, theme.liquid will be opened. Scroll down to the button. Now here you'll be able to find the text/body. All you have to do is click on it, press enter. Now what you have to do is go to new tab, paste this link in the search bar. This link will also be provided in the description box below. Now here you'll be able to find the code. All you have to do is select the code. Now press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Go back to Shopify admin. Now simply press Ctrl V. Now here the code has been copied. Here you can see two options, background and color. You can see specific background and color over here. You can select the color, press Ctrl C, go to new tab. Now click on the search bar and paste it. Now press enter. Now here you'll be able to find the color picker. From here you'll be able to pick the color. You can pick the color like this. Once you find the color of your choice, you can click on the copy option that you can see right over here. Now go back to Shopify admin. Now replace this with the code that we have copied. After that, the color will be changed. You can do the same for the background too. Now simply click on the save option that you can see right over here. After that, add to cart button color will be changed. So that is how you change add to cart button color in Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.